Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 1111. Today guys we are going to be doing a reading on a pick-a-pile reading on messages for light workers, star seeds, earth angels and empaths. Let's see guys, if you're a star seed, if you're a earth angel, if you're a empath, if you're a light worker, what does divine want to guide you about? Okay, so it is necessary for you all to choose from these three. Choose one or two piles, whichever is guided to you all guys. But before that, close your eyes, take your time and choose the pile which calls to you the most. These are stacks guys. I've used stacks today for our pick a pile reading. So let's see. This is pile 1, the red stack, pile 2, the silver stack, and pile 3, the gold stack. Okay guys, so take your time, close your eyes, and then try to choose a pile which you are guided to the most. Okay, so you all can pause the video over here if you all want. You all can choose more than one piles if you all want, and I will be starting with the red pile. So let's see guys, what angel wants to guide you. If you are star seed, light worker, empath, earth angel, if you have chosen the red stack. Okay, so boundaries. Okay, so y'all all are guided, right? This is very much required that y'all are guided to have boundaries if y'all are empaths, because empaths like to help others, light workers like to help others like in a lot of ways. Okay, so they have to set boundaries where to stop actually. And also in personal life, y'all are required to learn to set healthy boundaries. Okay, setting boundaries is very important over here, where you need to establish better boundaries. You all are called to realize, you all are called to focus on your life and try to see where is it necessary in your life, where are you not setting boundaries. Okay, then let's do the next one and let's see. Don't dim to fit in. Okay, so it is very necessary for you. If others behave in a particular way, you do not need to behave in a particular way. You are in a particular energy, you have a particular way of doing things. Do what you are guided to, do what feels better for you, and don't try to do things like others do, because you feel like that will help you much better, and you will look like one of them. You don't need to look like one of them. Angels are guiding you. Do the way you like to do your work, and guide the way you like to guide people, and don't try to do what others are doing, because that is the easiest way to do it. Just, and again, answer the call. If you all are choosing the red one, answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? So it is very necessary over here guys for you all to realize that what you are supposed to do. Don't listen to what others want you to do, and that would help make you like somewhere that you have to fit into a particular frame, what your family tells you or what others tell you to do. And this will not help you guys to progress in your life. So what your soul is calling you to do right now, if you want to do a particular thing, if you want to change your line, if you want to do something in a particular fashion, so don't because red, let not others guide you in what you have to do. You know your best, and you believe in yourself, and you do what you are required to do if you have chosen the red stack. Okay, so let's go on and let's move to the next pile, that is the silver pile. Okay, and if you all have chosen the silver stack, then this is your reading. Council of Light, divine orchestration, helpers in the subtle realms. Y'all are being guided to be a part of this council of light and help others. Okay, if you all are from the silver pile, if you all have chosen the silver pile, then you are the helpers of the subtle realms. You all are channeling angels, you all are helping other people, you all are guiding other people. So that is what is your life purpose. That is what you are guided to do actually. Okay, and over here I'm saying, seeing protection actually. Call back your power, cut the cords and soul retrieval. So now this becomes very important for y'all, because y'all are helping so many people. Y'all are required to cut your cords with them and call back your power when required, because it's necessary for your healing as well. Trust your path. If you knew you would be supported, what you would do? So over here they are telling me this photo is very beautiful, and you're supported from divine guidance, with divine guidance. You're supported from the higher realms. You're supported, and you are a part of this beautiful council of light. So you are being required to keep your protection as well while helping others. You don't have to suffer yourself while helping and healing others. So it's required for you at some time that you call back your powers to you and call back your energy to you. Take your time, take your healing, take the support and heavenly guidance that calls you to take a break sometimes, because you are the helpers of the divine. So it is required for you all now to cut your cords with other people and call back your power from them, and trust that whatever you are doing and whatever you are guided to do is, you are being supported in everything, each and everything. Okay, so let's move on to the gold stack, and let's see that if you have chosen the gold stack, then what you are guided to do. Okay, so if you have chosen the gold stack, this is your reading. Dance with life. Do something to change your energy. So if you all have chosen the gold one, you are called to change your energy. You're called to do something else as well. If you were asking that whether you should say yes to a particular thing, whether you should say yes to a particular thing, whether you should be doing a particular thing, then the angels are guiding you to just say yes and just do it. Okay, and keepers of the earth, you're not alone. Ancient ancestors stand besides you. Okay, so I see a lot of spirit animal work going on over here. I see a lot of angels helping you, guiding you, protecting you, and you're not alone. If you're feeling lonely at this time, like you are helping a lot of people and still you're feeling like nobody is there for me when I need someone, then you are being guided and you are being told that you're not alone. Everyone is with you. The angels are with you, the spirit guides are with you, your ancestors are with you. They are blessing you and guiding you. So keep going on your path and just say yes. Okay, and if you're feeling alone, then do something what you like, what could be a hobby for you, something to change your energy, to get you back into positivity, and just say yes to any spontaneous activity which could change your life. So I hope guys you like this reading. Do let me know, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also see you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.